Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add 16-second story on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first I will click on this app. Okay, and tap on plus icon. Click on story. Then tap on gallery and choose 16-second story. Okay, 16-second plus. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to leave a note on Instagram. Okay, and so let's get started. 16 seconds. Then first of all click on Instagram app, upload. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment